why 90% of people fail when it comes to marketing online and how to solve this problem. Now, the business I'm going to be talking about in this video is Motor Club of America, and why over 90% of people fail when it comes to marketing this business. Now, if you don't know what Motor Club of America is, it is a benefits business where it also has a affiliate platform. Now, you can get dental benefits, you can get eye care, I think there's prescriptions, there's a whole bunch of different benefits. I'm not going to go too in-depth into that in this video, but the reason most people fail when it comes to actually marketing this this business is they go out there, they either pitch the features and benefits, or they say, hey, who wants to make $80 commissions, all this kind of stuff, but they don't actually have an audience that is looking and with credit card in hand that's ready to buy their offer. Now, what a lot of people do is they actually go out and they either pitch their family and friends or people that they know in their local communities, or they go on Facebook and they spam their Facebook until it's dead, and they try to get as many signups as they can before their warm traffic kind of runs out. Now, what I've learned to do and what sets apart the top marketers from those people that you might have some success pitching your family and friends, and you will get a couple signups, sharing it on social media, but unless you're at it every single day and around the clock, you're never going to be able to get ahead when it comes to signups. Now, one thing that I can show you is if you can set up a system of automation. Now, what I mean by this is something that you can send traffic to, that you don't have to be there. You don't have to be there to talk to them. You don't have to be there to walk them through the sign up process. You can actually send traffic to a system, a sales funnel. You can get that system or sales funnel to convert and actually turn that traffic into money. If you can get that and you can set one of these systems up and you can get them to convert, you can make money without actually having to be at your computer. You can go to a vendor online, purchase traffic, and actually send it to that system, and you can make money around the clock, right? So that's the name of the game when it comes to marketing. If you can spend 50 cents and turn it into 75 cents or $1, right, you are in profit, and you can essentially continuously run traffic to whatever is bringing you that return. Now, that's where the difficult part comes into play. I don't know about you, but I've been marketing for 2 years, and once I learned this secret hack of how to actually get signups without having to do very much work, I made it my goal to master this and create systems that do exactly that. But the next problem was, if you're a brand new marketer, how are you going to learn how to create these sales pages? How are you going to learn to create the sales videos? How are you going to create the emails or find the traffic sources? So that was a big problem that I've spent a very long time trying to understand, and it wasn't until I met one of my mentors who mastered in creating these systems, and ever since then I've kind of tweaked my method. And what I'm going to share with you here in just a moment is how to actually copy what's already working, right? If you look back and you say, if you try to reinvent the wheel, right, you're not going to have as much success as if you grab what already is working and just piggyback on top of that. Okay, so what I've done is I've gone ahead and set up a system. It's a 4-step system, and I'm going to walk you through that system here in just a moment. We're going to jump over to my screen, and I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about this system, the ins and outs of it, how much money you can make, and all that kind of good stuff. But the reason I set these systems up is not to profit for me. I could go ahead and I could set up a very simple system that just, promotes my main offer and makes me money. And then, if you don't learn how to set up a system yourself, that's not my problem. But what I wanted to do was I wanted to set up a system that allows everyone to succeed. I want you to be able to go out and copy what I'm doing, what's working for me, what's making me money. I want you to be able to copy that and succeed with it as well. So let's jump over to my screen. I'm going to show you this system, and if at any point in time you want to get access to this system, all you have to do is click the link or the button below this video, and it will direct you over to this page where you can actually go ahead and set up your system. So let's jump over to my screen right now. I'm going to walk you through this entire system. Alright, so this is the success page for our MCA system. Now, the reason I'm using MCA for this system, it is a 4-step system, and I'm going to break it down for you guys right now. But in a quick overview, the MCA platform allows us to earn those $80 upfront commissions, and then the system that I've set up with the other steps, you're going to be able to earn some huge residual income, and you're also going to be able to earn from 4 different income streams. So the way the system's set up, I have our 6-Figure Marketers Club group, which I recommend everybody go ahead and join that group. Inside of it, I'm going to be giving away some free training and some free tips, and I'm also going to be giving away some free and some paid traffic sources to help you guys get even more leads. Okay, so inside of this system, the way I've set it up is you're going to have the Facebook group at the top, and like I said, earlier in this video, you're going to get access to this entire system. So as I walk you through this, right, we're going to have the system overview. It literally takes you less than an hour to set this system up. It's super simple. So step number 1 is going to be the income multiplier. That's where we're actually going to go ahead and set up our Motor Club of America account, and I'm going to walk you through that. I'm going to show you exactly what Motor Club of America is if you don't know what it is, so you don't have to worry about that. And again, this is all free training. So if you don't even have to buy anything to look at the way I set up this system, watch my videos and how I train. But this is a system that I've used to sign up hundreds of people and help hundreds of people get signups as well using this simple copy and paste system. Now, step number 2 is our ClickFunnels account. Now, if you don't know what ClickFunnels is, that is a landing page software. So in order for me to build this system, to set up the landing pages, to set up this sales page, I need a software. I need a landing page software. So ClickFunnels is the creme of the crop. It's the best landing page software out there. And with this system, not only can you get it for 14 days for free, but I'm going to actually show you how to earn money from it. Okay, so you're going to be able to get Motor Club of America signups on complete autopilot. You're going to be able to get ClickFunnels signups on complete autopilot, which is monthly residual income. And I also have our Aweber account, which is going to be our email marketing software. So if you don't know, you want to be building an email list so that you can send out emails every single day, right? This is an email I sent out not even 20 minutes ago, and it's already got 6 clicks on my offer. So this email list, every single day I send out 2 to 3 emails, and you can really make some money with your email marketing list, and it is literally free traffic. So not only are you going to be able to build your email list with this system for free, I'm going to give you it. All you need is a ClickFunnels account, and I'm also going to give you my 7-day email follow-up sequence, which there's the share code for it right there. You can just plug that into your Aweber account, and you're also going to be earning money when people sign up to Aweber as well. So like I said earlier in this video, you're going to be earning from 4 different income streams, and income stream number 4 is where I'm going to show you how to get traffic. So if you remember earlier, you need a high converting offer, you need a sales system that's going to convert that traffic into money without you having to be there, right? And then you obviously need some emails to follow up with them, because not everybody's going to buy the first time they see your offer. So the emails are going to go out without you. You don't have to be there, right? They're going to go out and they're going to send people back to this page where they're going to, maybe they only watched video number 1 and then now they see it again. So they're, okay, I'm going to go watch video number 2. And then they see the power of it, right? And they're like, oh crap, I got to set this up. So they go through, boom, boom, boom. You get 4 different signups for 4 different income streams. And now you've just made, $80 upfront commission and about $50 to $60 in monthly residual income, just like that. So with step number 4, that's going to be where I'm going to show you how to get traffic. And the traffic source we're going to be using is solo ads, because one thing that I learned, and I learned this from one of my mentors, is all traffic is the same. All tier 1 traffic is the same. It does not matter, whether you spend, 10 or 15 cents. I've got clicks from some vendors where I paid less than a penny for these clicks, and they turned into $1,000 commissions. Okay, so it's not the traffic that is the problem, it's the system that is the problem. You don't have the right system for that traffic. Okay, solo ad traffic is a unique beast, and you want to have something set up that's easy, that they can go through, they can click their email, and in the next 20 to 30 minutes they can actually have something tangible that they can go out there and make money with. And that's what this system is. You can set this up in the next 30 to 45 minutes, and you can literally have this exact system, landing page, email follow-up sequence, everything done, 4 different income streams ready for you to profit from in under an hour. So the system is set up very clean, very easy to navigate, and very profitable. So what I want you to do now is, if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And also let me know in the comment section below, have you gone out, have you set up the system, have you sent a solo ad to it, and what were your results? I want to know in the comment section below, your results on this system, and if this helped you get some more MCA signups. So thank you for watching. Again, my name's Dylan Afazio, and I'll see you guys in the next training inside of the 6-Figure Marketers Club and inside of the system. So go ahead, set that up, and I'll see you guys there. Have a great day.